Welcome, here I've got LG Velvet and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it because the LG device gives us the other mode only to record the slow motion. This is really cool here, and we can do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the slow motion. So when we pick this, we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big button here at the center. In this camera we have also interesting thing. When we tap on this button, we can decide if we want to have all video in the slow motion or just a part of this. This is really cool here, so I'm not going to focus on all slow motion video because this is easier one. Let me pick the part to show you how it works, and let me start recording. And as you can see now I record the standard video. When I tap on this a little bit longer here at the right corner at the bottom, we start recording the part in slow motion. So this is really cool here, and when I stop touching this, we go back to the standard video. So now let me stop this and let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this, we get quick access to the gallery, and as you can see, this video for now is in the standard mode, and for a while it should be in the slow motion. As you can see now it happens. So this is really cool here, and when we tap on the center here, we go to edit this video, and in this slider here we can see where is the slow motion part of it. So this is really cool also. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.